Alright, so today's job is to label all our parts of speech that we can find. So I've rewritten my sentence because one thing we haven't done is where we go through and we label the whole sentence. And today I kind of want to do that with you because maybe there's some words in here and you don't know what they're called. Alright, and that's okay because maybe you haven't learned all of these things yet. Okay, so I'm going to go above each word and I'm going to tell you what it is called. What's the part of speech? Okay, the word the is called an article. Okay, and we have a couple of those, so I'm going to go ahead and write article above this one too. Okay, children, that's a noun. That's a person, place, or thing. We know that one. All right, run, that's your verb. That's what they're doing. All right, the word to, okay, that's a preposition. And we're going to learn about prepositions later this year. Okay, the word him, it's kind of like a noun, but that's called a pronoun. It's in place of their name or in place of more of a specific noun. Okay, we don't even in this sentence know who him is, and we wouldn't unless we read the story, right? Okay, with is another preposition. You might have learned about prepositions when you were younger in 3rd grade. I'm not sure if y'all missed that part of it last year when you were out of school, but we will definitely talk about it this year. Okay, the word, let's see, with the speed and grace. So speed is a thing. It's considered a thing. So it is still a noun. Okay, the word, let's see, and is a conjunction. Conjunction, junction, what's your function? Y'all might not have heard that song because I'm old. Your parents might have heard it though. They're probably about my age. Okay. Grace, speed and grace, those are both considered nouns in this. All right. Of is another preposition. And then cheetah, of course, is a noun. Okay, I do not expect you to know every single part of that sentence, but maybe you labeled some of it, okay? And maybe really paying attention to those nouns and those verbs. You might have gotten the conjunction and, maybe, okay? But really, if you can do your nouns and verbs, that's the big thing right now.